Hi there, welcome to today's video where we will be showing you how to make delicious homemade caramel. With just a few simple ingredients and some patience, you can create a rich, golden caramel that is perfect for drizzling over ice cream, dipping apples in, or just enjoying by the spoonful. Ingredients: 1 cup granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, room temperature, 1/2 cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Step 1. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, heat the granulated sugar over medium heat. Stir occasionally until the sugar starts to melt and turn into a light brown liquid. Step 2. Once the sugar has melted, stop stirring and let it continue to cook until it reaches a deep amber color. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Be sure to watch it closely as it can quickly go from amber to burnt. Step 3. Remove the pan from the heat and add in the butter. Stir until the butter has melted and is fully incorporated into the caramel. Step 4. Slowly pour in the heavy cream while stirring continuously. The mixture will bubble and sputter, so be careful. Step 5. Once the heavy cream is fully incorporated, stir in the vanilla extract and salt. Stir until everything is well combined. Step 6. Return the saucepan to low heat and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the caramel has thickened slightly. Step 7. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Step 8. Once the caramel has cooled down slightly, pour it into a jar or container for storage. It will thicken as it cools, so you may want to warm it up slightly before serving. Conclusion, and that's it. You now have your very own homemade caramel that is perfect for adding a sweet touch to your favorite desserts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.